Why do you think drama is so effective? We have music and we have art, but why do you think drama is extremely effective?
Everyone can. That is the first answer. Everyone can do and everyone like to do. Even if it is in, I do a workshop for above 60 people, and I saw the same child in my 7th standard classroom or 9th standard classroom there. And while we doing class through drama, we will plan a lot because their teacher is the director. And the children, actually they were accidentally came to the stage. So, very conscious because the concept is to be learned. Ensure that. For that purpose, the teacher planned just like a director, and her teaching manual is just like a drama, a script of a drama. And she planned and point all the directions in this manual. And I think it is learning scripts or teaching learning scripts. And there will be some pauses. After one scene, there is another scene. And there is, I think the school of breath is better to use this.